Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, we certainly urge you to check back with further forecasts for the next 36 hours. And the reason why, the storm that we're anticipating hasn't even formed yet. But we still feel, based on the data that we've been looking at all morning and all afternoon, that all the ingredients, and they're scattered all over the country, will come together to form this storm off our coastline Friday morning, Friday night into Saturday. So obviously it's calm, it's quiet, cold and dry out there right now. Nothing on live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar, some errands that you want to run. The weather will not be a problem this evening. In fact, temperatures are pretty comfortable. After topping out well above freezing today, we're back into the mid-30s in most areas. Okay, winter storm watch for Friday and Saturday for the entire area. Now, by terminology, a winter storm watch means 6 or more inches of snow anticipated, and there'll be plenty more than just 6. Blizzard watch, watch meaning the potential for blizzard conditions. If we get blizzard conditions, it's changed to a blizzard warning, so it's in watch mode. And by definition, a blizzard, in fact, you don't have to have a lot of snow for a blizzard. It's really based on visibility and wind speed, both of which will be very poor, especially these areas in red come Friday evening and Friday night. So here are the headlines with snow beginning on actually Friday morning. Now, for the morning commute, it's okay. It's just light snow, but it really picks up in the afternoon, especially Friday night, overnight Friday night into Saturday morning. Very windy, blizzard conditions at times, and then maybe some mixing of sleet and rain along the South Shore. And that's what makes the forecast tricky, because for a time, it's not an all snow situation. Inland areas, it's all snow, but from roughly Providence south and especially the South Shore, down in this pink zone, there may be several hours where it's mixing with rain and sleet. And as a result, that would hold down the accumulations a little bit down here. But regardless, even if that happens, eventually it turns back over to all snow later Friday night. So based on that thinking of the precipitation type, we feel as though the most snow would be away from the coastline. I'm going to show you those numbers in more detail in just a second. But on the satellite photo, it's clear, dry, and quiet. And again, no weather problems right through tomorrow. So let's actually start, not so much with tomorrow, because tomorrow's a quiet day, but rather Friday morning, 7 a.m. You see the blue, which represents snow, working in. Initially, it's just light snow. As the blue colors get darker, that indicates heavy snow. Noontime, intensity starting to pick up a little bit. Evening commute, dark blues and purples indicating very heavy snow, 6 o'clock in the evening. Later Friday night, the pink along the South Shore indicating a mix, but then even that changes over to all snow later Friday night into early on Saturday morning. The storm will still be going on Saturday morning as well. As a result, the accumulations away from the coastline of 1 to 2 feet of snow. Now, if we don't get any mixing or sleet along the South Shore, the amounts will be much higher across the coastline as well. So as mentioned, no problems for tonight. It will be colder, initially dropping down through the 20s, but by daybreak tomorrow, only 17 at dawn with sunshine. Clouds will be on the increase, but a dry day with a temperature topping out at around 28 degrees. The exact track of the storm, here it is Friday evening, will certainly determine the exact precipitation amounts. So we're still 36, 48 hours away, and why you want to come back to a further forecast to see where this rain snow line sets up. But bottom line, substantial snow likely. So decent tomorrow. The storm is on Friday into at least the first half of Saturday. Let me break down some new information on Friday. Some of the things we didn't cover. Well, for one, look at the wind gusts. 50 to 60 miles per hour. That combined with heavy snow, I think power outages are likely. And obviously with poor visibility, heavy snow, strong winds, very poor travel. The morning commute's not too bad, but the evening commute on Friday will be very difficult. And even on Saturday, the storm continues at least through the morning hours, blowing and drifting snow. It may not clear out until Saturday evening and Saturday night, setting up for Sunday, obviously being the better day with sunshine and certainly a better day to clean up. Sunny skies and the temperature at 34. Again, the storm has not even formed yet. Why you want to come back to further forecast tonight and again tomorrow to see how it all pans out. Confidence is high of a storm. As far as the details, which are still ironing out, you still want to check back with us to see if those totals have to go up or down.
Right, and we know that you and TJ, Pete, and Michelle are working around the clock to keep us informed.
In fact, the whole team is in tomorrow as well.
Absolutely. All right. Thanks so much, Tony.